Hi guys, I'm gonna give a try to these two tongue, and I think the best thing to do is to concentrate on what word to stress in the whole phrase. Okay, so let's give it a try. Lesser leather, never weather better. Okay, so this word here, it reminds me of the German word Wetter. Lesser leather, never weather better. Lesser leather, never weather better. Okay, so I would stress first leather and then never weather because that's a verb. Weather better. Okay, lesser leather, never weather better. Okay, let's go to the second one. If two witches would watch two watches, which witch would watch which watch? Okay, it seems it went right. Okay, so if two witches would watch two watches, and here the trick is to concentrate on the verb because that's the main word of the phrases, and witches. Okay, if two witches would watch, and watch of course, two watches, which witch would watch which watch? And here which are pronounced the same. Would watch which watch. Okay, which watch would watch which watch. Which witch would watch which watch? If two witches would watch two watches, which witch would watch which watch? Okay, give it a try. Bye.